Good day guys, this is the 4FJ1 Isuzu motor. I have a water leak between the block and the timing gear cover or housing. I had to remove the diesel pump and all the timing gears, and I'm struggling to remove the cam pulley as well. So what I did is you remove the two bolts from the oil pump. It only has two. You take the oil pump, you pull it out gently. What you do then is you press something between the cam and the block and you wedge it out slowly. Then you can remove the cam, be gentle, pull it out, turn it slightly, and that's how you remove the cam. And once you've removed the cam, you've removed all the bolts, then you can remove this cover like that. Okay guys, thank you. If you like the video, please press like and subscribe for future content. Thank you very much.